Which pressure cooker is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker. This beauty caught my eye with its sleek stainless steel design and a price tag of just $69.99. If you want a pressure cooker that does it all, saute, steam, and even make yogurt, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 9 cooking functions, this Instant Pot is like having a chef in your kitchen. Need to whip up a quick dinner? It can pressure cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Plus, the easy release steam switch means no more worrying about burns while venting steam. It has a family-sized capacity of 6 quarts, perfect for feeding a family or meal prepping. And let's not forget, it has over 10 safety mechanisms to keep you worry-free while cooking. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about cooking and want versatility, the benefits far outweigh that inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you love cooking multiple types of meals efficiently. Skip this one if you have a super tiny kitchen and need ultra-compact appliances. At around $70, it offers great value for money considering all it can do. Now, if the size of the Instant Pot Duo Plus bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. Next is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker, priced at $64.99. It's another Instant Pot, but with a slightly different take. If you want a budget-friendly option that still offers solid performance, this one's definitely worth checking out. This model features 7 cooking functions, allowing you to pressure cook, slow cook, or even make yogurt, all in one appliance. It cooks meals up to 70% faster too, which is a huge time saver for busy families. The stainless steel pot is durable and easy to clean, making your life a bit less hectic when it comes to the kitchen mess. Now, some users mentioned that the smart programs can be a bit confusing at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, those one-touch options will have you whipping up amazing meals without the stress. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a well-rounded pressure cooker without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a cooker with more advanced features. At $64.99, it's an excellent entry point into the world of pressure cooking. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for safety features. Product number 3, Cosori Pressure Cooker 6QT, priced at $70.25. What grabbed my attention here was the 12 safety features. Definitely a must-have for anyone a bit anxious about pressure cooking. If you're looking for a safe yet versatile option, this might be your best bet. This model boasts 9 machines in one, meaning you can pressure cook, steam, saute, and even ferment. It's designed to vent safely, so there's less risk of steam burns, which is a big plus. The ceramic nonstick inner pot makes for easy cleanup, and with a capacity of 6 quarts, it's perfect for family meals. Now, some people found the instruction manual a bit lacking. Here's the thing though, there are tons of recipes available online, and once you figure it out, the cooking presets make meal prep so much easier. This is perfect for you if safety is your main concern while cooking. Skip this if you're looking for a more straightforward, no-frills cooker. For just over $70, the safety features make this one worth considering. Now, if you're not a fan of digital controls, the next product might just suit your traditional cooking style.
Product number 4, Presto 01362 Pressure Cooker. Finally, we have the Presto 01362 6-quart stainless steel pressure cooker, priced at $97.96. This one is a classic, perfect for those who appreciate a straightforward, no-nonsense cooker. If you want reliability over gadgets, this is your pick. This pressure cooker is designed to cook chicken, fish, meat, and veggies quickly and efficiently. The pressure regulator maintains the right cooking pressure automatically, so you can focus on your meal. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and compatible with various stovetops, which makes it highly versatile. However, some users mention that it takes a bit longer to get up to pressure compared to electric models. Here's the thing though, the trade-off is that you get a more traditional cooking experience that many find rewarding. This is perfect for you if you prefer a manual, hands-on approach to cooking. Skip this if you're set on having digital features and automatic settings. At just under $100, it's a solid investment for those who value classic cooking methods.
So, to wrap it up, we covered the Instant Pot Duo Plus, Instant Pot Duo, Cosori Pressure Cooker, Instant Pot Rio, and the Presto Pressure Cooker. Each has its charm and unique features, so it really depends on what you prioritize in your cooking experience. Whether you want versatility, safety, or a classic approach, there's something here for everyone.